Hey, we are finally reached near the 7 mountains in Rishikesh. Just look at in this picture. Yes, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finally reach. Finally reach. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Amazing place. God created this land so much beautiful. This is Rishikesh in Uttarakhand. You can come and visit and see its God's beauty. It's amazing, amazing, amazing land. Hallelujah. You can call it God's own country. There are so many foreigners come over here every year. This is very famous for yoga and meditation city. Beautiful Ganga river flowing here. Just look at this. Amazing, amazing. God bless you. Hallelujah. I hope you like this video. Just look at in this side. Amazing. One more beautiful mountain you can see here. Yes. The sun rays. You also find the cloudy. Now the season is this time is cloudy. Hallelujah. You also can listen there some birds voices. There are some people coming from other side. Just look at this Indian woman. The Indian women are very beautiful and they'll always wear the traditional clothes also. I hope you like this video. Hallelujah. God bless you. I love you, Jesus.